What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you Toni Mahfud inspired, dual tone preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG preset, camera preset for your Photoshop, and as well as the desktop Lightroom preset. So you can just download this preset from the links in the description. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And guys, this preset I personally handcrafted for you guys just for free. And I really do respect Toni Mahfud's photo editing creativity. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, the very first thing all you need to do is just copy that Toni Mahfud inspired dual tone DNG preset to your SD card, right? Now just click on the plus button and click on the three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset files which are present in your SD card or smartphone. So here is the dual tone preset file. Now just click on the add button, so it will be added to my old photos gallery of my Lightroom. I have already imported some of the photos, so let's see. So here is the preset file that is added. Now all you need to do is just copy the preset or the settings. So click on the three dots on select the paste copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and let's apply it to some other photos. Let's try it on this. So just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Your photo is totally looking very similar or exact, just like Toni Mahfud, which he uses in his photos, like creative dual tone in their Instagram. So let's just try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference guys, a huge and totally different photo it is looking, and kind of creative tone it is giving your photo. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference guys. So guys, this is how you can color grade your video footages and turn into and kind of very dual tone portrait with cinematic tone. So you can see the difference guys. Here is the before and here is the after. Huge difference can be seen. If you want to create a dual tone portrait just like Toni Mahfud, then you can definitely use this preset and just turn your editing game to a next level. So you can see the difference guys. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I have also given you the same preset in the DNG format also, for your desktop Lightroom, that is .lr template extension. So you can just download the same preset for your desktop Lightroom as well as for your camera preset also. All the links are down given in the description. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, mobile Lightroom preset, lots and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff just for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website you can find premium collection of presets just for free. So guys, stay tuned on that website, and also guys, follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome and be safe at your home.